Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build a stunning portfolio grid using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful, responsive grid layout like the one you're seeing on the screen now. Let's dive in. Let's start by setting up our HTML structure. We have a basic HTML file with Tailwind CSS included. The body has a margin to ensure our component doesn't stick to the edges. We begin with a simple grid layout using grid and grid_1 classes, and a gap of 4 units between grid items. Next, we add a portfolio item inside our grid. We use mdgrid_calls_2 to make the grid responsive, displaying 2 columns on medium screens. Each item has a white background, padding, rounded corners, and a shadow for a card-like appearance. We include an image using placehold.co, a title, and a description. To enhance responsiveness, we add lggrid_3 for larger screens, allowing 3 columns. We also introduce a hover effect with hover bggray200 to change the background color when hovering over an item. Let's add another portfolio item to our grid. Notice how the grid automatically adjusts to accommodate the new item, maintaining the responsive layout across different screen sizes. We'll add a third item to complete our initial grid setup. Each item is consistent in style, ensuring a cohesive look across the portfolio grid. Adding a fourth item demonstrates how our grid can expand. The layout remains clean and organized, thanks to Tailwind's flexible grid system. With a fifth item, our grid continues to adapt, showcasing the power of Tailwind's responsive design capabilities. Each item remains visually balanced and appealing. Finally, we add a sixth item to our grid, completing our portfolio display. The grid remains responsive and visually appealing across all screen sizes. And there you have it. We've successfully built a stunning portfolio grid using Tailwind CSS. Remember to play around with different grid configurations and styles to make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Until next time, keep creating with Tailwind.